In the previous video, we learned how to use AI Generate to create solutions. Today, we'll show you how to manually add and edit buildings without using AI. First, click the building icon next to the AI Generate button at the bottom center of your workspace. Here, you'll find several building types that you can choose from: tower, mid-rise building, wrap type, walk-up, townhouse, and standalone. If you click on the building, by default, the building will appear at the center of your screen. Click, drag, and drop the center line of the building to make the desired layout. Use the floating menu below the building to add wing and extend the shape. In the building graph, you can click to delete any wings you've added, click on numeric labels to type the exact dimensions, and drag the endpoints if you prefer resizing manually. Within the floating menu, you can also duplicate the building or delete it. This is also available by the delete key on your keyboard. You can also access the edit layout. On the right-hand menu, you can adjust settings like number of floors, floor height, layout type, unit average area and mix, and unit depth for residential type buildings. For other building types, the available inputs may vary. Please ensure that you press apply after making your changes to your unit mix. Typical floor plan is modifiable in typical floor plan and height setup under the floor to floor height tab. By default, all floors share the same floor type, so the apply to all option is turned on. If you need a different floor type per floor, turn off apply to all, open the drop-down menu next to the floor you want to change, and then click Add New so you can make a copy of an existing floor type. You can then apply this new type to certain floors as needed. You can also set floor height per floor in this setting. To undo or redo any changes made in the workspace, click the Undo or Redo buttons at the top center of your screen, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Y instead. If you want to edit your project settings to an ongoing solution, you can simply click the Project Settings button to adjust key parameters such as redefining site boundary, street, setback, height limit, parking requirements, modify parking requirements, and building regulations. Just hit Done, and the changes will apply to your existing solution. Now you know how to manually add and edit buildings. Join us again for the next tutorial.